Plastics play a vital role in modern life, but what happens to them afterwards? As demand grows, so does the need to keep valuable materials in circulation, yet many plastic waste streams remain difficult to recycle. Flexible, multi-layer, and mixed, plastics often struggle to find a viable route back into the value chain. Scaling circular plastics production remains challenging. A different approach is needed. Introducing Nerea, a standardized modular product solution designed for the chemical recycling of hard-to-recycle plastics. Combining Alterra's proven recycling technology, Neste chemical recycling expertise, and Technip Energies' industrial delivery capability. Nerea transforms hard-to-recycle plastic into high-quality circular feedstock. Engineered as a replicable industrial product, Nerea keeps plastics waste streams in circulation by reducing project complexity, improving predictability, and accelerating deployment. Built on Alterra's commercially proven technology, designed for processing contaminated and multi-layer plastic waste, delivering dependable performance and high product yield. For waste operators, Nerea turns difficult-to-recycle plastic waste into a new revenue stream. For project developers, it supports a more predictable and investment-ready route to deployment. For refiners and petrochemical players, it provides dependable access to scalable circular feedstock. Nerea, turning circular ambition into industrial reality.